In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Stickman animation with Canva. So what you have to do, you have to go first and click on video and choose landscape video resolution. And after this, you should go to element and search for Stickman. Like this. And click OK. And go to graphics and choose one. For example, I will choose, for example, I will add Vulkan. Search. I will add this one. So I will make it look like this. And right now, guys, what I have to do, I will go to share and click download and search the file type to PNG and click on download. So once it's downloading, guys, what you have to do, I will just delete the picture and I will add my picture here. I will resize it, and what I have to do right now, I will just go to edit, and on edit I will go to image to video and click on custom, and I will add this prompt, Stickman Vulkan, and I will click create 5-second and I will wait. Click add to video, and here is our video. Right now let's see how it look. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.